Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video you have a quick tour of the Holiday Inn Resort in Lucknow. So let's get started. This is the huge lobby with a welcome drink section, and then let me quickly give you the room tour. Being an IHG member, we were upgraded to an executive suite, and I can't tell you how huge and beautiful this suite was. Since the hotel is newly and recently built, I think 6 months ago, so they are absolutely new in everything with furnishings and simply squeaky clean. This is the drawing cum dining portion with a tea coffee maker, and then on one side you have dining table, which I'll show you. Then you have the sofa set with the TV, and here comes the large window with some view. Now moving on towards the bedroom. The bedroom space was humongous and has everything you need, along with a side chair and table. I really loved the spacious washroom area, which came with a walk-in closet. All the furnishings and fittings in this washroom were really luxurious. The bathroom even came with a good size bathtub for you to use. We even got these sweet treats as a welcome gift. Now I will show you the morning breakfast spread. I can say that they really have almost everything which you can expect from any 5-star property, which included some fresh fruits, juices and smoothies. They had all types of North Indian and South Indian options along with egg station. So whatever you can think of as a good breakfast option, you will find it here. The restaurant is also very pleasing and beautiful, and the staff here is also amazing. So this was my short tour of Holiday Inn. Hope you liked this video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next one. Thank you and bye.